all across the conventional ferries also, because we had lot of conventional ferries. We used to take off this because what is happening, the current is so high, and the river while navigating we find lot of wooden blocks coming across the the fans and the propellers of this, and when they hit, that needs a little amount of repairs. So this is what has happened yesterday also. Immediately they repaired and they are there in this. Yesterday evening at 7 o'clock we took off. When it was off, then we repaired it, and this morning it is plying. So there is nothing new when we are plying 18 hours a day, and there such incident is like broken nets, broken ropes, and the wood pieces, they go they get into all these machines, because this is a high velocity of vessels. When they the current that it generates, it attracts, the wooden blocks go in the fan, and then it disrupts. But there is no worry, because we have a redundancy in that. So we take it off and they repair it and we put back. This is happening with the traditional ferries also. But traditional ferries, nobody notices it, because these are the only two ferries. If there is one is off, then everybody notices it.
So, any plans to clean the debris through Goa Pollution Control Board or through WRD?
Which debris you
The
mean to
debris
say?
in the river, like you said, there are torn nets, there are discarded nets.
No, this is a continuous process. It is not a settled one. As and when the nets are broken, they tend to flow in the river. So even if we remove it, that will. But if we remove it, the large amount of that, the incidence will be less. But we will see and get it, because there are a lot of other things that we have to take care, because whether we are permitted. Our department does not look after it. The environment sensitive areas also we have to deal it. So the concerned departments will take action.
So,